How to create a Google form survey questionnaire. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Google form questionnaire survey. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside here, just search in for Google Forms, which will take you to this site, and just click on the first link over here, which will take you to another site. So once you are inside here, just click on blank form since we are creating a questionnaire for survey from the beginning. So let me just name, so survey questionnaire, just like this. And once you select this, you can also add a description to it, so we skip that for now. So just add your first question, so it might be like your gender or class level, whatever you want to add. So let me just add an option. So to add another option, just click on this add other, or you can just add another option by simply clicking on this. As you can see, it automatically adds as there are two gender. So you can also remove the other by clicking over this, and since it's selected to multiple choice question right now, you can also select it as a checkbox or drop down or paragraph or short answer, whatever you like. And you can also enable this option like required, so that this question is compulsory to fill, so that user don't skip the questions. So it's by default required for some time, but if it's not, you can enable it from over here. And you can also make the email mandatory by simply heading over to settings, and from responses just click on this responder input option, which will automatically add the input over here, which means the email is compulsory for the user participating in this survey questions. You can also change your title from over here, just like this. And once you do all of that, just click on here and just click on add section over here. You can now simply add another section and just do the same likewise. So you can also add a video or image or title description, import questions, add questions, just like this. Now since we are not creating another section, I'll delete this section just like this, and I'll just click on this plus button, which will automatically gives me the option to add a new question. So I'll just give my another question. So it will ask a label, so I'll give it a short paragraph. Or you can also, if you want a long type answer, you can also give the user to write in a long paragraph, and just click on required as well. And once you do all of that, you can simply publish it or share it with any other user after publishing it. So make sure when you share, just make sure your responder view is selected to anyone with the link, so that people with any Gmail can view. Or if you only want it to say sent for the particular users, you can also edit it on the here by adding the particular person over here. Or you can also just click on this restricted, so that particular person can only view your survey questions. So just like that. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.